In an ever-changing, ever-faster world, it's vital to listen, to understand, to innovate, and to place your confidence in trusted hands. At Dematic, we're guided by an enduring spirit of invention and relationships built on respect and trust. Qualities that over the years have propelled us to transform our customers' manufacturing and warehouse operations in advance of changing times. As a pioneer of intralogistics, we design, build, and support intelligent and automated systems that move goods from warehouse arrival right through delivery to the end consumer. Every day, our solutions help to deliver 18.5 million parcels worldwide. With origins dating back to the first industrial revolution, our history is anchored in relentless invention, spearheading some of the most significant industrial advancements of the 20th century. Today, we help our customers to create and sustain the differentiated online and in-store experiences to meet the demands of their consumers. Same-day delivery, click and collect within an hour, 60-day returns. Expectations are growing. We do so through persistent innovations in automation, artificial intelligence, robotics, analytics, and machine learning, combined with our unprecedented customer relationships. With 2 centuries of expertise behind us, we are not just ready for the next industrial revolution, we are getting you ready for the next chapter.